Chapter 2, Working with Windows 10. To know in this chapter, features of Windows 10, working with files and folders, how to restore deleted files and folders. Windows 10. Windows 10 is the most popular operating system of the Microsoft Corporation. It controls each and every part and activity of your computer. It recognizes the input and output data from the computer and makes it work. Let's learn more about Windows 10. How to start Windows 10. Turn on the computer and wait. Windows 10 will automatically start and the lock screen will appear. Sign in by entering the password and pressing the Enter key on the keyboard. The final screen that will appear is called the desktop. Start button and Start menu. The left corner button on the screen is called the Start button. When you click on it, it shows the Start menu. Start menu is used to access programs and settings of the computer. It has two vertical parts. The left part shows the installed and the most used apps. The right part consists of tiles that you can customize, resize and reorganize. Start menu and desktop. Here is the list of the main icons that appear on the desktop with their explanation. Apps list. The list that houses many apps of the computer. User icon. When clicked on this icon, it shows a menu which shows options of either to log out or view your account. Edit the titles. Every tile group has a title on the top. Click on the title to change it. Drag and drop. You can click and drag the title bar of any tile group to change its location on the screen. Tile options. When you right-click on a tile, it shows a menu that gives you an option to change its size. Expand the menu. Change the size of the menu by clicking and dragging its right-hand edge. Customize the Start menu. You can customize the Start menu by rearranging and resizing the tiles according to your wish. Resize the tile. Click on the Start menu, right-click on the tile you want to resize. Click on Resize from the context menu. Select the size from the context menu. Rearrange the tile. Click on the Start button, the Start menu will appear. Click and hold the tile you want to move. Drag the tile and place it where you want. Release the tile. Add or pin an app to the Start menu. You can customize the Start menu according to your needs. You can always replace and move the apps and add the ones you use most often for smooth functioning. You can do it by following these simple steps. Open Start menu by clicking on the Start button. Identify the app you want to pin in the Start menu. Right-click the app. Click on Pin to start. The title of the pinned app can be seen on the right side of the Start menu. Switching between applications. In Windows 10, you can open more than one app at the same time. It has a feature called multitasking, which allows you to switch between two or more running apps. There are two ways you can do it, either through the taskbar or through the task view. Let's learn how the two methods work. The taskbar method. The taskbar displays all the opened apps on your screen. Click on the app icon on the taskbar that you want to use. It will appear in front of all the other apps and you can work on it. The task view method. Go to the taskbar and click on the task view icon. Click on the thumbnail of the app you want to switch to. Multiple desktops. You can manage your running programs by dividing them into two or more desktops in Windows 10. How to add a new desktop? Go to Taskbar, click on the Task View icon. Click on New Desktop. Your original desktop will appear as Desktop 1. Switching to another desktop. Go to Taskbar, click on the Task View icon. Click on the desktop you want to use. Locking the computer. You should always lock your computer when you leave it. This makes it secure as anyone who wants to use it will first have to enter the password. You can lock your computer following these simple steps. Click on the Start button. Start menu will appear. Click on User icon. Click on Lock. How to use the Settings app. You can customize and configure many aspects of the Windows system using this app. To open the app, you should click on the Start menu, click on Settings. Navigating through the Settings app. You can do this by following these simple steps. Click on any category. Click on a tab from the Settings app shown. Modify the tab Settings by using the controls on the right side of the app window. Changing desktop background. You can change the desktop background as per your choice. The background image that appears on your desktop is called wallpaper. Follow these simple steps to change the background. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. In the context menu that appears, select the Personalize option. Click on the background from the list of options appearing on the left-hand side of the screen. Another window will come on screen with many pictures to choose from. You can either select from these pictures or you can browse the computer for more pictures. Select any picture as the wallpaper and a preview will appear on the screen. If it looks attractive to you, then leave it like this. The selected image will be set as the desktop background. How to change lock screen background. You can change the background of your screen according to your choice from the default one by following these steps. Click on the Start button. Start menu opens. Click on Settings. Click on Personalization. Click on Lock Screen. Click on the drop-down arrow of Background and click on Picture. Choose and click on the picture you want to use. If you wish to use your own picture, follow these steps. Click on Browse. Navigate the picture of your choice. Click on Choose Picture. The image will be set as your lock screen picture. Changing the color scheme. You can choose the colors of the taskbar and Start menu of your choice. Here is how you can do that. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Click on Personalization. Click on Colors. Scroll down to the color palette and choose your favorite color. Click on the Start button to see the color effects. Setting a theme. Besides the background color and color palette, you can also change the theme of the desktop. It will change the look and feel of the desktop icons, sound effects, and the mouse pointers. Follow these steps to change the theme of your computer. Click on Start. Click on Settings. Click on Personalization. Click on Themes. Choose the theme that you want to apply. Click on Close. Adjust the volume. If you are listening to an audio file or watching something on the computer, you can adjust the volume according to your need. All you have to do is go to the taskbar and click on the volume icon. Click and drag the mark to the desired level. Revise with TUK. Windows is the most widely used operating system worldwide. Windows 10 uses Graphical User Interface (GUI), which makes it user-friendly. The Start button is located on the bottom left corner of the desktop. The The Start button opens the Start menu, which contains the list of all the installed applications and programs on the computer. The Start menu has two panels. The left panel shows the entire list of programs on the computer, while the right panel shows the icons of most used applications. Some of the inbuilt programs available and visible in the Windows 10 Start menu include Calendar, Skype, Microsoft Edge, Cortana, Maps, Mail, and Weather. The Start menu can be customized by changing the location and size of the tiles. A desired app can also be pinned on the right panel. There are two ways of switching between running apps, by using the taskbar or by using the task view option. In Windows 10, the computer screen can be split into two or more desktops to make the work easier. Settings help in customizing and managing the components of your Windows 10 system. The background of the desktop is called wallpaper.